Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to make each letter a different color on Canva. Now the first thing you do is open up your Canva. Maybe you downloaded the application on your PC. You just simply open up the application and then you sign in. If you're signed in, you're good to go. It should display like this, the home page. But if you do not have the application, you can use the one online by typing www.canva.com. Then you sign in and voila, you're on the home page. Now we want to work on how to make each letter a different color on Canva. But before we do that, let's look at the benefits. Why would you want to do this? Now, if you make each letter a different color, that is each letter of the text you use in your Canva design a different color, it will create a visually striking and attention-grabbing effect, making your text stand out. It also helps to highlight specific words or phrases, the keywords and phrases guiding the viewer's focus. It shows your creativity and expression. It allows you to use your unique and creative design to express your individuality and personality. Also, it aids accessibility for people with dyslexia and other visual processing difficulties. So color coding improves readability for them. Now, these are the importance. Yes, these are great benefits. What are the disadvantages? Before you do something, shall we check out the pros and the cons? Look at the pros and what are the cons? Let's see. The first disadvantage is that readability. In some cases, excessive color variation can make the text difficult to read and understand, especially for longer passages. Also, on the professional aspects, depending on the context, actually, it might not be appropriate for professional settings like resumes or formal documents. And it can be time consuming to manually change the color of each letter in the text, especially for longer texts. Also, it has a potential for distraction. If not used thoughtfully, it can be distracting and detract from the overall message. Making each letter a different color in Canva can be a powerful tool for creating visually appealing and engaging designs. However, it is important to use this technique judiciously and consider the context and purpose of your design. If you are aiming for professionalism and clarity, a more restrained approach to color might be more suitable. But if you are aiming to express your individuality and your artistic talent, then please go ahead and use color coding, or in this case, use different colors for each letter in the text. So let's dive right into it. How to do it. So the first thing you do is create your design. You can just choose a design that's already been created. So let's say I want to use it. Like we said, it must not be in a professional setting. So these are all professional settings. Let's look for something more fun. Let's say my story. So let's say for birthdays, that was fun. Let's use for birthday, which one is the kids' birthday? Yes, kids love colors. Boy or girl, let's say baby girl. Photo collage. Oh, so many options to choose from. Let's use, we want the one that has text. Let's see, that has a lot of text where you can show talents. Okay, let's use this. You're invited to Alexander's birthday party. Oh, it's not free. I have to upgrade to use the template. So let's look for the one that we can, use without having to pay or upgrade. So let's go back. With the chipstick, I had someone else a chipstick. I'm not. Anyway, so we've chosen our design, even though it's already highlighted. Oh, let's get something else. This is not what I want. So I didn't go. The theme already looks great. So imagine trying to change that. I'll be messing up with the design. Okay, let's use this one instead. Very good. This is much better. Now, this is the text. Happy birthday. We have the text here. Happy birthday. We have more text below we're going to have. So, like I said, you can create your own text box and type your desired text, or you can use the one that's already there on a design. So we're going to highlight individual letters. Imagine, highlight individual letter, each letter. That's why I say it's time consuming, but I think it'll be worth it at the end. So we click and drag our cursor, select a single letter and change the color. So let's go. Let's start. Oh God, this is gonna be time consuming. Let's add another page. Let's pick out the letters because they become small. Oh wait, let me just make it bigger so you can see clearly. So let's increase it. Aha! This should help. Let's leave this particular design. This is much better. Much better, but I think it's too much. Aha! Now, let's start. We pick the first one. We're going to select it. So let's select this. Since I cannot do individual here, let's see. I can actually. So this is H. So we tap Shift and highlight it. Alright, now we're gonna change the color over here. Now you look at the text color, which looks like an A with a color beneath it. That's this one. You can see the color there is white. So we tap on it and we choose the color. Now we can keep with the theme by choosing the colors associated with the theme, like this one. This is a picture. These are the colors that we can use that will flow great with it, or we can decide to make it more attractive by choosing with other colors like this. So you see, the H has changed. Now I do the same for the next letter. Like we said, time consuming. Shift and highlight it, and then you change the color. Let's change the color. Let's use brown. Yeah, let's use brown. So let's see. We've changed B. So we change here, we change B. Now I'll move on to the next one. We have to be dedicated to it. Anyway, that's where I'm going to stop for now. It wasn't laziness, it wasn't fine. It was me not being an artist. You see, I am actually an artist, but I think I did well in this bit. Anyway, you have fun with it. Do it. Change the color of each letter as much as you like. But keep in mind those tips I gave you earlier. So if it's a professional one, please do not do it. If it isn't, you can express yourself as much as you like. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful on how to make each letter a different color on Canva. So do not forget to subscribe. After liking this video, subscribe to this channel so that you can have access to more tips and tricks which we put up every day on this channel, every single day for you. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.